Welcome to my YouTube cooking tutorial. Today we're making delicious, low-carb, low-calorie tortillas. What's even better, they're entirely plant-based. I love this recipe. Let's begin by gathering all our dry ingredients. So you'll need 170 grams of coconut flour, 70 grams of oat fiber powder, 50 grams of psyllium husk, 30 grams of flax meal, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum, and half a teaspoon of salt. So this yields 3 cups of dry mix, which is perfect for 6 batches. You only need 1/2 cup at a time. You want to store this mix in an airtight container. So let's get started by adding 1/2 cup of the mix to your bowl. And then you're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of boiling water and 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix this together well until the dough starts to form a ball. Knead the dough into a smooth ball and then cut it into 4 equal parts. Now you want to roll each part into a smaller ball. So this is where the fun begins. You're going to press each little ball between 2 parchment papers in your tortilla press. Alternatively, you can roll out the dough as well. Once your tortillas are flattened, you're going to cook in a hot pan for 1 to 1.5 minutes on one side and then flip it over and cook it on the other side for another minute.